I have been looking for some new headlights for my 97 S10 beater work truck. These fit my description pretty dang well, so I thought I'd give them a chance. I've been using halogens for the past few years. These are the low beams. Pretty dang bright. Don't even have my light bar anymore, and here's my high beams. Pretty impressive. I've never owned any LED headlights before. I am beyond impressed. I'll attach some before and after pictures. But really nice. Seem well built. And they fit right in. I used the included harness and it made it a lot easier. Probably the nicest part on this old truck, and I absolutely love them. I'm quite happy with these.
Completely dark. Got my ambers on. Not sure if you can even see the difference right there. Let it focus. Normal headlights. Brights.
We have a 2009 custom KME fire engine with a 4x6 LED headlights. This is high and low beams on.
Nice sharp cutoff line. Perfect.